guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can be invisible in Steam. So guys, if you want to be invisible in Steam, then this video is for you. Sometimes it can be a bit confusing as to where to find it. So if you're using a Mac, all you need to do is just look at the top where you can see Steam, Account, View, Friends, Games, Windows, and Help. So all you need to do is be on Friends right here, and now you would see numerous options like View Friend List, Add a Friend, Edit Profile Name, Online, Away, and Invisible. So this is the option that we need in order to be invisible. Just go ahead and select this, and you would notice that you have officially become invisible in Steam. So guys, that's how you become invisible in Steam. Hope this was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.